Well, hi Nick, thanks very much for your interest in Honda. So we're here at the San Diego Auto Show, and then Honda has a broad range of vehicles on show because of our broad range of offerings. So unlike many of our competitors, we're still full in with passenger cars, and here we see our beautiful Civic, which is the best-selling vehicle for young purchasers, for new first-time purchasers, as well as multicultural purchasers. So those people that want to get into a new car, this is the one that they're really focusing on. Now, for the true enthusiast, we have the Civic Type R here, which is a very, very high performance variant of the Civic with 315 horsepower, the fastest front wheel drive vehicle around the Nürburgring in Germany. Also, for those that want something a little bit larger, we have this beautiful Accord. The Accord is a finalist for North American Car of the Year. We've been building Accords in the US for 40 years. It was the first car that we produced in the US in 1982. So we're very, very proud that this is built here in the US in our plant in Marysville, Ohio. Now, of course, nowadays, the biggest market for vehicles is SUVs. So obviously Honda is full into SUVs as well. And then the smallest version is our subcompact HRV. So just like the Civic, it's been very, very popular with especially those young purchasers and those first-time car purchasers. If they want something a little bit bigger and also want maybe some all-wheel drive, the HRV is the car for them. Now, our best-selling vehicle by far, in which we sell upwards of 350,000 units retail, because Honda doesn't sell fleet, and that's one of the reasons why the residual values of Hondas are so good, because when you go to sell your car, your SUV, you don't have Hertz and those big rental agencies offloading all of their vehicles. So it means that it's a supply and demand thing. You get more money for your used vehicle when you sell it. But the CRV was greatly upgraded, so all new for the 2023 model year. More power, more powerful hybrid engine, which is wonderful. Now let's kind of walk a little bit further. Here we have our Passport. So this is our mid-size SUV offering, and this is a great adventure vehicle for those that like to wander a little bit further off the path. Now, talking about going off further off the beaten path, I want to introduce you to the Pilot TrailSport. So the TrailSport is our most off-road worthy vehicle we've ever produced. So in 2023 model year, this was all new. For the first time, Honda offered all-terrain tires, off-road tuned suspension, as full underbody protection that can take the full weight of the vehicle coming down on those bash plates to protect the underbody of the vehicle, has recovery points at the front and the rear that can take twice the gross vehicle weight rating when towing. Also, it has a full-size spare, which is very, very important when it comes to safely getting home. If you have a blowout, you need a full-size spare if you're off-road. Another thing that it offers is a trail watch camera, so you have a bird's eye view of the entire area around the vehicle. You have cameras that look to the side, so you can avoid those big rocks and trees when you're wheeling through a narrow path. Also has a trail watch camera at the front, so when you're going over a rise, it looks straight down so you can see what's coming up. Now, the big star of the show, which is our first all-electric SUV, is the new 2024 Prologue, and that's what you see here today. Now, interestingly, this is going to be sold nationwide, but it was greatly influenced by California. So Honda has its design studio in Southern California, and the design team there designed the exterior styling. They worked on the theme of neo-rugged. So as you can see, it has a very, very clean, very modern look, but because of that nice broad stance, it looks very purposeful as well. As we always do with Honda, it has great packaging magic in that the interior has loads of room for passengers as well as for cargo. It's also packed with a lot of electronic features. It has Google built in. So basically the apps are built into the vehicle, so you don't have to sync it with your phone. But of course it does have wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay if you want to use your device. Now, importantly for an electric vehicle, everyone wants to know what the range is. It's going to be around 300 miles. So pretty good range. Is going to be offered with a front wheel drive single motor version, but also an all-wheel drive with 2 motors. Now, importantly, for people that are coming into electric vehicle for the first time, there's a lot of confusion. Well, I'm used to going to the gas station, I know where the gas stations are, but what do I do when it comes to charging electric vehicle? I want to get into electric vehicle, but I'm not sure how to do it. So we understand that challenge. So Honda, whether you lease or purchase this Prologue, it comes with 3 different charging options. So either you can get a home charger, level 2 home charger, that has an installation credit, and also you get $100 credit for public charging, or you can have a portable charging unit, which is a level 1 or level 2 depending upon the outlet that you plug it into. So maybe if you rent a house or you have an apartment, you can't install something like the home charger, but you can use a portable one. You have that. It also has an installation credit and also comes with $300 of public charging credit. Now, if you decide that all you want to do is charge your vehicle outside in public stations, then we have a $750 charging credit. So it really comes with everything that you need, and it's going to go on sale just in a few weeks in early 2024. So thanks very much for your interest. Thanks very much, Nick. I appreciate your time.